I don't know. I can't stop people.
Som vill. Det här ingår i era biljett, så att passa på om ni är sugna på att veta mer om Birka och vikingatiden. Guidade turen tar cirka 1 timme. Vistelsetiden på ön är cirka 3,5 timmar, så att ni lägger upp där precis hur ni vill själva, vad ni vill göra på ön. Men ni har möjlighet att hänga med på en 1 timme lång guidad tur. Man kan läsa de exakta tiderna från guiden, tiderna etc. Slutligen kommer båten att börja gå tillbaka mot Stockholm vid klockan 3, så se till att vara i god tid till bryggan. Förutom att guida ut på ön kommer jag också berätta om lite intressanta platser som vi åker förbi ut, som jag tycker kan ge lite bra bakgrund.
I think they have to stay between them.
Right.
Because if not, it's like the sand comes up and they can just...
And they'll just get stuck.
Yeah.
How much is it all?
130 or something.
Not bad. Honestly.
What do you want? Probably less than the back home.
Well, I know it's like 12 pounds.
It's funny though, because like that coffee is well better than what you get in one of them press machines at home. But it looks crap because it's just made in a big tank.
Well, it wasn't. We're rocking a bit now. We weren't rocking before, were we?
The waves do look more aggressive. No, it's like there was 2 levels.
On the train, really?
People were sat on the second.
Oh, they're two. Okay.
sandwich. And you have to sit and eat it. One more.
The colours are not the colours I would say.
Do you not have anything to eat?
I do love this one, but not. I can stick a couple of
But then, like you said, everywhere where they go, they leave barriers like this behind. And if you know about Ireland, for instance, it was, there was a brief period of quite heavy Viking presence in Ireland by Norwegians. Yeah, high probability that was the case. But at the end, around 970, this is the closest thing we get up here to sea. And it's a first up here, definitely. On the far side of the water, you can see a white church. That is the medieval church of Gordon. Of Odessa.
Sutad in cooked lax.
You said we were going tomorrow. Did you say that where they've got good fish dishes?
Yeah, that's just
We having pancakes.
Yeah. I love pancakes, but I don't think there's any pancakes here. Meatballs. You're having pancakes. Oh, you're having. Oh.
Irish pancakes.
They really are exposed.
So we're just having like a picnic today. And we just set up the table now, so we have something to eat quite soon. Is it the drinks that we're having?
But I don't want another cake.
Oh.
Before I was like, should we get a birthday cake?
I was like, absolutely not.
I was like, do you not remember us?
Yeah, because there's nothing savoury.
Yeah, that's
Is that what Fika?
That's Fika, yeah, that is
Okay.
Fika. Yeah, pretty much.
It's never really.
But we covered for all the meals, right? We covered for all the meals.
No, just evening.
I'm sure it said Fika and breakfast included.
No, just dinner. No breakfast.
You sure?
Yeah, we'll have another look. But I checked last night because I think we thought, oh, there'll be loads of places to try. So breakfast, we won't bother.
It might be an automatic thing.
We'll have a look.
That won't be the first time. It won't be the last thing I do.
The thing is, it was unexpected. It was probably rushed too.
Yeah, true.
Because Siobhan, what happened to your London ticket? I thought you'd got a ticket from London.
Cancelled and refunded.
I have my food. I'd rather watch you, but
Oh, you get a full refund.
I have one bite.
That's good.
Yeah, I have a very good high definition microphone, so it really picks it up nicely. I don't know.
Got really close with the cowboy.
The cowboy. How we watched
Really, I like it.
I think I remember. I don't remember the comb bit. Yeah.
That was like his thing, like his calm, his soothing thing.
Yeah.
And then he like got really close to that cowboy, and it was kind of.
Yes, I remember that comb. Yes. Yeah. Somebody poisoned the. I remember.
Yeah, it was from the leather.
Poison on the leather. Yeah. I remember that. Yeah, that's one thing that drives me nuts. Is those supposed people. People, when you buy a seat and they go on sitting there and they just won't budge when you tell them. Excuse me? Because it says on the train when you book, it's still not a guarantee that you'll get a seat.
That's ridiculous.
And you book the seats.
Yeah. But people are
What's
allowed
inside that?
to take over it.
What is it?
On top of them.
I don't remember.
Pass a little bit of
Can I taste it? Oh, mung bean.
Sit on it.
Yeah.
Like right over like this.
Nice.
Like the face of the cowgirl or whatever.
That would fix it.
Sit there so that you can chew it up.
And they're like, well, I was kind of curious. Can I just have this one? And you're like, no,
This is
I
on the
want the
airplane.
windows.
Yeah.
And then it's just
Thank
like, when you
you.
feel like all of a sudden you become the food. Because you're like, can you move?
Yeah.
It's such a weird, like, but I booked it.
Does this happen on what? On plane?
I've had it,
Wow.
several times where it's like,
I think there was like had the option to put the windows even out of the white, so it's like that's your problem.
exactly. But it's somehow you
Let mommy
feel
talk for a bit.
people saying it, but it's like,